The highlights of today's defense news, 21st of November 25. DRDO and DGA France inked technical agreement to deepen collaboration in defense R&D. Hindustan Aeronautics and Edge forge global defense partnership for joint exports. DMRL advances indigenous defense materials, transfers major technology to Indian industry. VEDA Aeronautics and METRAVIB defense partner to arm India's armoured fleet with battlefield changing acoustic sensors. India hits record 1.54 lakh crore defense production in financial year 25. In the global highlights, UK maps 13 sites to rebuild a local arms industry, sustain Ukrainian aid. Ursa Major raises $100 million to scale hypersonics, solid rocket motors, and space mobility. Helsing to produce SG-1 Fathom underwater glider at UK Resilience Factory. Australia's EOS invests in C-UAS capability. A look at the news in detail. A technical agreement has been signed between DRDO and Directorate General of Armaments France to deepen collaboration in defense research and development. This strategic partnership aims to leverage the combined expertise and resources of both nations to develop innovative solutions for future defense challenges. It provides a formal framework for joint research and training programs, testing activities, exchange of information, organization of workshops, seminars, etc. to enhance the skill and knowledge in defense R&D. Under the agreement, the transfer of equipment, know-how and technologies will be available to both the countries. Key areas of cooperation outlined in this agreement include aeronautical platforms, unmanned vehicles, advanced materials for defense applications, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, space navigation, advanced propulsion, advanced sensors, quantum technologies, underwater technologies, and other areas of mutual interest. Hindustan Aeronautics has signed a memorandum of understanding with the United Arab Emirates Edge Group, marking a strategic alliance aimed at expanding global defense export opportunities. Under the agreement, Hindustan Aeronautics will leverage its deep expertise in the design, manufacture, and support of fighter aircraft, helicopters, and maintenance, repair, and overhaul services. The Indian Aerospace's proven capabilities in producing platforms like Tejas light combat aircraft, Dhruv advanced light helicopter, and LCH Prachand give it a strong presence across multiple domains. Edge Group, one of the fastest rising defense and technology conglomerates in the Middle East, contributes advanced solutions in autonomous systems, precision guided munitions, electronic warfare, secure communications, and radar systems. Its growing portfolio of AI driven and network enabled products align closely with the emerging operational doctrines of intelligence and autonomous warfare. The partnership targets export markets across Asia, Africa, and the Middle East, regions witnessing significant growth in demand for affordable, adaptable, and interoperable defense systems. By jointly offering integrated solutions, the two sides aim to pitch competitive packages that combine HAL's air platforms with Edge's smart systems and field support technology. DMRL on its 62nd annual day marked a significant milestone by transferring advanced material technologies to key Indian industry partners, strengthening the domestic production of strategic defense grade steels and armor systems. The transfer of DMR 249A naval grade steel manufacturing technology to Steel Authority of India and JSW Steel stands out. This steel is versatile, produced in varied thickness, suited for warship hulls and other maritime platforms. The DMR 249A steel is a low carbon, low alloy steel developed specifically for strategic naval applications, manufactured with stringent control over hydrogen content to prevent defects like hairline cracks. Despite lacking vacuum degassing facilities at the Bokaro steel plant, the partners achieved superior mechanical properties and microstructure through careful process controls, ensuring consistent high quality. The transfer of DMR 1700 steel forging and mill form manufacturing technology to Sarloha Advanced Materials enables production of a new nickel, silicon, chromium, cobalt, molybdenum, molybdenum low alloy steel with about 7% total alloy content. DMR 1700 steel exhibits a strength toughness combination superior to many commonly used low alloy steels and approaches that of more expensive maraging steel but at a much lower cost. It is tailored for use in high stress defense components, including missile motor casings and other critical platforms requiring exceptional mechanical strength and fracture toughness. DMRL also transferred lightweight composite armor manufacturing technology to NTB International to enhance indigenous protection solutions for armored vehicles like the wheeled armored platform. The composite armor utilizes advanced ceramic materials embedded in a polymer matrix, offering all round ballistic protection at high levels. The technology ensures superior mobility, impact resistance, and weather resilience while adding minimal weight, thus improving maneuverability across diverse terrains. VEDA Aeronautics signed exclusive Make in India partnership agreement with METRAVIB Defense for the advanced acoustic gunshot and cutting-edge drone detection system to be mounted on light tanks (MBT) armored vehicles. VEDA Aeronautics, led by Managing Director Dipesh Gupta, formalized the partnership with METRAVIB Defense of France to co-develop and integrate acoustic sensor technology in India. The system includes acoustic gunshot detection, capable of pinpointing sniper fire, small arms and heavy weapon origins, and drone detection, which is critical against modern aerial threats. These sensors will be mounted on lightweight tanks, main battle tanks, and other armored vehicles, enhancing survivability and situational awareness for crews. Global news. The UK Ministry of Defence has revealed 13 possible locations for a new production network of munitions and energetic materials aimed at supplying the British Armed Forces and bolstering support for Ukraine as its conflict with Russia approaches 4 years. Shortlisted locations in England include Cumbria, Shropshire, Derbyshire, Essex, Worcestershire, Hampshire, and Teesside. In Wales, Monmouthshire, Pembrokeshire and Milford Haven have been identified, while Grangemouth, Ayrshire and Stirlingshire were selected in Scotland. These sites, largely former refineries or chemical plants, have already been evaluated for industrial safety and are well connected to road, rail and port networks, making them suitable for large-scale manufacturing. Helsing will produce and maintain its SG-1 Fathom underwater gliders at what it calls its first UK resilience factory in Plymouth. The facility will also be used for research and development. The Plymouth site will be Helsing's Maritime Centre of Excellence. The SG-1 Fathom systems are being integrated with Helsing's software command and control platform LURA at the facility. LURA uses a large acoustic model LAM, which is designed to interpret acoustic signatures created by vessels and submarines. According to Helsing, LURA is able to differentiate between specific vessels from the same class. LAM also allows the software to differentiate between vessels up to 40 times faster than human operators. The software is continuously trained against new data. Helsing has begun production of its system and is conducting trials at the British Underwater Test and Evaluation Centre in Scotland. From the third quarter of 2025, Helsing has also been testing the SG-1 at sea in the western approaches, Scotland and Western Australia. The SG-1 Fathom is an autonomous underwater glider based on dual-use technology. It can be used for subsurface surveillance with the possibility of deploying hundreds to monitor underwater areas. Previously, Helsing adapted the SG-1 Fathom with its integrated LURA software for anti-submarine warfare use cases. Canberra-based Electro-Optic Systems (EOS) has entered into an agreement to acquire the interceptor business of UK-based defence manufacturer Mars Group. EOS announced that the proposed deal, worth $6.3 million, features the acquisition of all Mars Interceptor counter unmanned aircraft system assets, including the engineering team responsible for the product's development. That's the news for today. We hope you have enjoyed the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you.